Hey, it's Aaron, and if you're watching this right now, maybe you're checking out the AliExpress affiliate program, and maybe you're wondering, can you actually promote AliExpress products and make some extra money from home just using your computer, your Wi-Fi connection? Let's check this all out, all right? Now, AliExpress is one of the largest e-commerce platforms in the world, right? In fact, it is one of the most affordable e-commerce platforms, and actually, when I had a dropshipping business, I would buy stuff on AliExpress, right, and then resell it on my Shopify store, and that's how a lot of dropshippers do it. Okay, now if you look at the prices right here, they're super cheap. A lot of the products are like, less than $1, a few dollars, $3, $1 here, $1 here, 93 cents here, $2.81 here. You can see that, right? So, and they've got a lot of different categories, obviously: home and garden, hair extension, accessories, men's clothing, electronics, home improvement and lighting. So it's one of those very large e-commerce platforms where the majority of the retailers here are from China. So if you were to buy a product from AliExpress, it would get shipped over from China. So there's some pros and cons about that. We'll talk about that in a second. But obviously there is some good stuff here as well, right? Slightly different from Amazon, because Amazon, the products are slightly more premium, so it'll be more expensive. But a lot of people selling products online to make some sort of price arbitrage actually sell products from AliExpress. So a lot of dropshippers use this as one of their major e-commerce platforms to buy from. Now, as an affiliate, you can actually sign up with them and resell their products directly to your audience or through your website. Okay, it just depends on what kind of audience you have. So if you come to AliExpress affiliate program, you just go to Google, type out AliExpress affiliate program. You can see that, they've got a lot of different products that you can sell. They've got over 150 million products that you can sell, and they pay a commission rate of up to 9%. Okay, 200 plus supported countries and regions. Really, really cool. So all you really have to do, and I'll just show you this, is you choose a product, you get your little tracking link, you promote the product or tracking link through any of your websites, your social media profiles, your channels. You bring more traffic to orders at AliExpress, and when somebody buys through your link, you get paid a commission directly from AliExpress. Really, really cool. All right. And they accept a whole host of different types of people. You could be an influencer. You can be someone who has a TikTok channel, YouTube channel, Instagram channel. Maybe you have a chat group, you have a blog. Maybe you've got a e-commerce blog or any type of blog, right? Coupon site, network agencies, cashback site. They're pretty cool. They don't necessarily need you to be an experienced person in order for you to join. So anybody can really join as long as you can drive some eyeballs and traffic to their website. All right. Now let's talk a little bit about how much you can get paid through AliExpress and how this actually works, right? So with AliExpress, they have a 3-day cookie window. That means that if somebody clicks on your link, right, and then they come back straight from the AliExpress.com website, they will be cookied for 3 days. That means that within 3 days, if they buy straight from the AliExpress site after clicking on your referral link, you will still get that referral or that commission. After 3 days, the cookie resets, and you're not going to get that referral, unfortunately. All right, but it is e-commerce, so it's fast fashion, and a 3-day cookie window is pretty acceptable in that kind of space. Okay, withdrawal threshold: you must have made at least $16 before you can withdraw your money. Payment methods directly into your bank accounts, and they work with a few different affiliate networks in order for you to sign up. So they have their own affiliate network. They also have they work with CJ Affiliate, which is a very large affiliate network. Flex Offers and Awin, some of the biggest affiliate networks in the world, right? Which is really cool. So you can get your affiliate links through any of these methods. All right. In terms of the commission rates, they pay up to 9%, but not all categories are 9%. So electronics is slightly lower, 3%. Accessories 9%, home and garden 9%, clothing 9%, and other products are 7%. Hot deals 0%. Okay. Now, 9 is actually quite high for an e-commerce website. So for example, on Amazon, they pay up to only about 5%. Some products are a little bit higher, but generally 3 to 5% is pretty low. And that's very normal for a physical retailer, because they have to manufacture the products in factories. It costs money, so they can't pay out that much commission. Now with AliExpress, they pay out a little bit more because their price points are generally lower. All right, so if you look on their website, a lot of their stuff, like I showed you earlier, is pretty cheap. It's a couple of dollars, $5, $10. Yes, they do have more expensive products, right? $7 here, but generally speaking, their products are pretty cheap. So if you're selling, for example, a $1 product, and you're making 9% commissions, that's still very little money. All right, and so we want to try to get you to earn a little bit more money, but it is still a realistic way for you to start generating income. Now, who is this for and who is this not for, right? AliExpress, the affiliate program, I think this is great for somebody that already has some sort of following, or you're already pretty established. So let's just say you are an influencer, you've got a big following, you've got a few 100,000 people, 10,000 people, maybe millions. It's very easy for you to join the AliExpress affiliate program. Just sign up and you can just, create a video and say, hey, I've got this great little widget or whatever it is, this t-shirt, this cap. If you want to buy it, click on my link below and that would be your AliExpress affiliate link, and people buy it, you make a commission straight from AliExpress. Very easy, okay? Same thing if you have a blog, a coupon website, a network, cashback sites, whatever it is. Very, very easy because you already have a bunch of people that's following you. So it's very easy to tie in any type of affiliate offer to make some additional commissions that way. So it's great if you're experienced and you've already got some sort of platform going or you've got an audience. Now, if you're a beginner, you can also do this, but the problem is that you have nobody to share this with, right? So if you just start your Instagram channel or you just start your fashion website, blog, or whatever it is, you've probably got nobody following you, so you're not going to be able to promote these products to anyone, right? So it's a little bit more difficult for an absolute beginner to get started with this because no one's going to see your stuff. Don't worry though, I'm going to show you a really cool way to get started with affiliate marketing, since it is a huge industry. It's a $17 billion industry, and if you are a beginner, you should be looking to get started in affiliate marketing anyway, okay? So I think AliExpress pretty cool. The commission rates they're pretty, decent for a physical e-commerce platform, but their price points are much, much lower than the average e-commerce platform like Shopee, like Lazada, like Amazon, for example, okay? But if you want to check it out, you can just go to Google and type out AliExpress affiliate program and you're going to find it. You can sign up for it and you can check it out if you want to get started recommending AliExpress products through your referral links, okay? Now, if you're here watching this video right now, maybe you're brand new, maybe you don't know how to do affiliate marketing. On this channel, I've reviewed so many different strategies on how to make money online. My favorite way actually is affiliate marketing. I've made millions with affiliate marketing. It changed my life. I quit my full-time job because of it. But you have to learn how to do it step by step. There is a method, all right? Obviously, you need to understand what products to pick. How do you maximize your profit margins, your commissions? How do you get people to actually buy from you? And if you would like to learn that step by step, I've got a free masterclass where you can check this all out. Just click the link right below this video in order to access that, all right? I hope you enjoyed this review of the AliExpress affiliate program. I wish you all the best, and I will see you on the next one. Take care.